Have you ever heard of a creature that can turn stone cold dead in winter and then come back to life months later? It sounds like a science fiction fantasy, but it's absolutely real. Meet one of nature's boldest survival champions, the Alaskan wood frog, or scientifically Lithobed sylvaticus. This small brown frog survives some of the harshest winter in North America, including Alaska, where it gets cold as 18 degrees Celsius or 0 degree. While most animals either migrate or hibernate, this frog does something beyond belief. As winter closes in, the Alaskan wood frog begins bizarre transformation. It starts to shut down bit by bit. Its skin goes stiff, its muscle freeze up, even its organs surrender. Eventually, its heart stops, lungs go silent, and nearly two-thirds of the water inside it turns to ice. It's look completely dead. And for almost any living being, this would be the end. But not for the wood frog. Why? Because hidden inside its liver is a life-saving secret. Just before entering this ice trap, its liver floods the body with glucose and natural sugar. This sugar rush acts like antifreeze, not the car kind, but nature's own version. It also produces urea, another chemical that helps keeps its cells from shattering. Here is the wild. When water normally freezes, it forms sharp crystal that rip cells apart. But inside the frog, glucose and urea turns that deadly ice into a soft gel armor. Its body enters a state of suspended life, no pulse, no breath, no movement, and yet it's still alive. Frozen dead on the outside but protected on the inside. And then spring arrives, the ice melts, temperature rise, and what happens next is pure magic. From within the cold stillness, the frog slowly stirs. Its heart begins to beat faintly then stronger. Its first breath in months. And just like that, this once frozen creature is hopping around again, as if winter never ends. Isn't it mind blowing? But this is not just a quirky animal story. Scientists are now studying this frog not just to admire its bravery, but because it might help us solve huge problems in human medicine. What if we could preserve human organs by ice locking them safely, just like the frog, or send astronauts deep into space by putting them into a controlled cryosleep? The secrets inside the frog's frozen death could unlock real life miracles. So, the next time you hear a frog croak, remember the Alaskan wood frog, the one that can go cold as death, stay still for months, and then rise again full of life. It's not just a wonder of nature, it's a blueprint of survival and maybe even the future of science. Nature hides unbelievable stories, and we are only just uncovering them. If this story amazed you, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more real wonders that feel like fictions.